We were here yesterday, but officially we're in the pits now. So this is surreal. This is insane. But the fact that we've accomplished this insane road trip over the last like 6 months, or even the last 2 months, the amount of miles or kilometers that we've racked up, it's insane that we're actually here. Oh, what a good way to end the trip. Let's get it. Alrighty, so going back to the last video, you guys know that we jumped on eBay, grabbed ourselves a vacuum pump, and threw it in the wags. Now it's time to test it. But if you want to jump online and go and get your own parts, you too can jump on eBay and check out their entire range of parts for any car. You can even chuck in your own car and figure out what parts are going to suit you. And you'll always be able to trust that you're going to get the best value and the best product for your car. Alrighty boys, it is officially game day, which means we are properly putting this thing to the test today. Now, I saw a bunch of people ask why we chose to go with the brake vacuum pump over anything else. Mainly because we know that the brakes always worked flawlessly until we put a big brake kit on. So it's running out of vacuum. It's pretty much the clear indicator. That's the clear sign. So many people were saying, why not change to just a master on its own, or get rid of this, try that. The reason we went with the vacuum pump is because, especially off eBay, it's affordable. The thing was like 60 bucks. We know it's going to be a trustworthy, good part. We know it's going to show up in time. You can't beat that, especially when I know it's going to work. So instead of trying to completely revamp it and do something new and create a different system and then have to test in competition, we're going to throw this on because I know it's going to work. How could you say no when it's going to change the competitive edge of your car? It's going to be reliable. And when you come down to how affordable it is, you'd be silly not to. Alrighty, so it's the last event of the season, last event of 2024. Let's see if these brakes hold up and do what they're meant to do. Car's prepped, it's got methanol in it. We're ready to go. About to head out to the pad. Let's see if this thing works. Alrighty, so the open class is finished. Time to warm the car up and get ready for pro. Praying to God that the brakes work in this, but I have a good feeling. I have a great feeling. Let's go. brakes worked incredible.
But he can't stick to 2 minutes.
No, it needs to be under 2 minutes.
He does
I
30
did the right
seconds
thing.
and then cries.
Yeah, most of that was crying. The brakes worked phenomenal.
How far did we go?
Oh, it was well over a minute. It was well over a minute.
No, you blew the timer out.
No,
No, I didn't.
because we stayed after the pop tyres.
Yeah.
No.
Mate, you blew, yeah, you
Yes,
pumped
we
the
did.
tyres, stopped. Time went off.
Yeah, but
then
that's
you went,
alright.
Oh yeah,
the tyres
that's
with
part of the show. That's part of the
They
show.
were flagging us off.
It was close.
I felt like a naughty boy.
It was close.
That's the show. They said put on the show.
I'm the run harder.
Shit.
Mike Hinchy.
Second place, 2,500 bucks. Big Hitchy.
Alrighty boys, we're officially back home, and today is service day on the SV. So literally I'm just rerouting lines, cleaning out the fuel system. But boys, we got second place. Holy crap, is that not justice to show how important that vacuum pump was? Look at that, we put it on, first comp, second place. You cannot get any better than that. That is insane. What a result from the end of that trip. What a way to finish it. But again, that $60 part, oh, talk about getting value for your money. Completely changed the way the car drove, completely changed the way the car acted, and just, I'm over the moon with the outcome. I'm so stoked that eBay was literally able to provide the goods and get the results. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up here, finish off working on the SV, and let's go.